Plaintiff Alexis Jackson was best friends with the defendant, but she claims the defendant is a drama queen and the queen of petty. Marlene claims once, after an argument, the defendant went on Facebook and badmouthed her. And Alexis is suing her today for unpaid toll tickets and a filing fee. Defendant Diamond Ballard says Alexis is a selfish person. And even though she was there for Alexis after her grandmother died, Alexis wasn't there for her. Diamond says Alexis is suing for more than she owes, and she's countersuing for 2 loans and harassment.
Start with you.
Well, Diamond was my best friend. She was the one that was there for me with everything. When it came from birthdays, she helped me get dressed, through all the drama. She was the only friend that came to my grandma's.
Help you get dressed when?
For my birthdays.
Okay.
Help me pick out outfits.
Okay.
And that was drama. Like, I'm undecisive.
Remember when I turned 50, you helped me get dressed?
That's right.
That was special.
I picked it out.
Yeah, that was special. Thanks.
So, there was drama in her helping you get dressed?
Yeah, because she a drama queen.
We both are drama queens. It's like a freak out. Your birthday, getting dressed, is like your wedding. It's like a big wedding day. Oh, I want to be like this.
So you do that every year?
For my birthday, for all of our birthday, yeah. Correct.
You celebrate a wedding every year. So what is your wedding going to be like?
It all varies.
So is your wedding going to be special at all? It's just going to be like another birthday?
It's going to be special just like a birthday.
Okay. What else you want to tell me about your friend? She's a drama queen. She says both of you are.
She is. She learned.
All right. What else you want me to know?
We both are drama queens. For example, and she's the queen of petty. For example, my birthday one time, on my birthday, she damaged my mom's car. I'm sorry, Mom, but yeah, she damaged my mom's car because she didn't want to wait for me to get my hair finished. She wanted to go get dialed out, even though we was going to somewhere not too. You didn't have to get so drama-ish. You didn't have to get the center of attention. I wasn't the center of attention. It was my birthday. Another example, when we got into an argument, she got on Facebook and she dogged me with another friend. I didn't say anything back, but.
Okay, how far did you all go in school? Because you seem to be very young.
In school, we made it through.
What college you go to?
Right now I go to Chicago State.
You're in Chicago State, good.
Yeah.
All right, and you?
I'm not in school right now.
All right, why not?
I'm working. So
where?
I work
what
at
type
the airport.
of job?
I'm a waitress.
All right, let me hear from you.
Like she said, we've been friends for a long time. With us being friends, and I feel like sometimes she could be selfish. And sometimes, like I said, she's a drama queen.
Why do you refer to her as selfish sometimes?
Selfish because when her grandma passed away, I was there for her. My grandma passed away this year. She wasn't there for me. So that hurt me. And at that time, we were standing together too. So that hurt me a lot.
All right, you want to say something about that?
Yes, I wasn't there for you, but it was times I called off work to be there when I came home and she was crying. I held her. We cried together. I never met her grandma one time, and I cried because I felt her pain. And I can't believe you're saying that I wasn't there for you. I didn't show up to the funeral because I was late. I worked that night. I worked overnights. The funeral was early in the morning.
I worked overnight too at that time. I was working.
And
Go ahead.
she wasn't working at the time.
She's
so
in school, but I have
that's
kids.
enough. That's enough. Let her finish, all right? She told you that she feels she was there for you. What she describes to me sounds like she was there for you. So let's move on to what you're suing for, ma'am. Tickets and filing fee.
Yes, I'm suing for unpaid tollway tickets. When she was staying with me, I have a small studio. So our stuff was together. I'm assuming when she moved out, she stole my plate.
I stole your place, Alexis, or did you give
Quiet, be quiet. One more time and I'm gonna throw you out. You ever been thrown out of any place?
Alexis' place?
Yeah, see, you know why? Yeah, I see. I can certainly believe that. You're about to add this to the list. Go ahead.
I never.
So what happened? How did she get your plates off your car? Did you have a car?
Yes, I had a car, but Your Honor, she stole one plate because the front plate was already stolen, and I had it in my closet. I had that with some other plates in my closet that we also.
How many plates did you have?
Right now, as of now, I have.
Then, when she stole one, how many did you have?
I had 2 in my car. 2 old ones and one that
Valid.
was
How many valid? plates?
valid. Only 2 on my car.
Okay. And she stole one that was invalid?
Yes, it was expired already,
Oh,
and
right.
it was reported stolen.
Got it. All right. And what occurred after that?
After
She
that,
ran up tickets, obviously, because you're suing her for tickets.
yes.
All right. What happened?
After that, I got my first ticket. I don't know the exact date, but I know it was in. I'm sure it was in March.
Did you mention it to her?
Yes, I
What did
actually
she
did.
say? What did
I
she say?
texted her and I told her you need to take those plates off. She told me okay.
And that's when we were living together. And I did not steal the plate. She knew I had the plate.
All right. Let's get to the tickets, though. Did you speak to her about the tickets?
The tickets, yes, I handed her the ticket
All
in
right.
hand.
What did she say?
She told me she'll pay for it.
Okay, and she hasn't. That's
don't have
your
the
claim
ticket.
One
today.
payment, yeah. Where
Pardon?
is it?
I don't have the ticket.
All
She never
right.
gave me a ticket.
All right, but do you remember discussing it?
No, I remember her saying
never
need to
discussed
take.
it
No,
with her?
I remember her saying take the plates off. That's it.
All right, so you never discussed tickets,
No.
though. Okay. And secondly, filing fee, that's for today's filing, I assume. You have any evidence today before we get to her loans?
I feel like sometimes she could be selfish because when her grandma passed away, I was there for her. My grandma passed away this year. She wasn't there for me. So that hurt me. And at that time, we were standing together too. So that hurt me a lot.
Plaintiff Alexis Jackson is suing her former friend, who claims Alexis wasn't there for her after her grandmother died.
Get your evidence together and we'll get to her harassment and loans. What are you suing her for? How does she owe you?
For the loans, for my birthday, I paid for her to get into a club, which was $50, and she told me she was gonna pay me back the next night. And she never paid me back. I didn't trip over it or anything.
Okay, what else other than $50 for a birthday?
And the $20 was for the bed.
Birthday's getting you
That
all
she-
in trouble. What? $20
The
for what?
$20 was for her to finish paying off her bed,
To pay off her bed.
to pay off her bed.
Yeah,
And she
pay
told
off.
me she was gonna give it back to me when our mutual friend
this
came
true?
along.
I don't remember what she's talking about with no bed. I don't know what she's talking about with the bed.
You don't
If
know what
she
I'm
did-
talking about? You
if
didn't
she-
say she's gonna give you the money back as soon as you got there?
I don't know what you're talking
Yeah,
about.
you
with
know
the
what I'm
ticket.
talking about.
I mean, with the bed. But if she did say anything with the bed, we slept
So how
on the
did you
same
pay?
bed.
So how did you
Young
pay
lady,
for your real
what
bed?
times approximately did you have the plate?
I had them from
So-
January 28th till May 19th.
All right, and all these tickets are from that time period.
Not June and July.
Did you give me any for June and July?
I did, but that's when I received the tickets.
And these tickets list up through May 9th. And this says $62.
It's on the other ticket that was in the paper clip, it doubled.
All right, you have to show me that because the first thing I saw is that it was only totaling $62.
Okay.
And I stopped there because that's the evidence of the tickets.
So these two are the same tickets.
Yeah, I know they go up if you don't pay them in a
Yeah.
timely manner, that's for
Correct.
sure.
And then
How
there's
does she
another
harass you?
After she told me she was gonna take me to court, I told her to do whatever she had to do, and she continues harassing me, sending me messages, telling me that she's gonna take money out my checks and all other type of stuff. And
If she wins in court, that's exactly what would happen if you failed to pay. And her promising to take you to court is not harassment, it's a
But she
promise to do
constantly-
exactly what she's done.
She shouldn't have gave me her plate.
This is your
I didn't
total?
take her plate. She gave them to me.
All right,
that's when
and you
one of them
shouldn't have
doubled.
gotten tickets. $212, this is your total, right?
Yes, this is another one. This is
Why don't you tell me your total?
500.
So this is a second group?
Yes, Your Honor.
Add these two up. $499 plus $212. That's it. No more. Here's some more.
7-Eleven.
And you say you don't owe her anything for the loans?
No.
Okay, good enough. 7-Eleven is your judgment. I'm looking at the tickets and the amount payable, and your claim is dismissed. Say she doesn't know you, and taking you to court is not harassment. Have a good day.
Go ahead.
This explains us. We're the same. We're the same. I'm sorry I went through this. I really did not want to have to go through this. I understand you was going through something you couldn't pay for the tickets, but I had to do what I had to do. They was coming for me. You know, it went to my credit. I didn't have nothing else to do. And one day we'll push it past us. I'm pretty sure.
Well, I still love you. We still, whatever, you know. I still had to deal with you. my child is your cousin, so it's whatever.